How to fix an error occurred on Grok AI on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check internet connection. For that, launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. You will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. Next thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app Grok. For that, launch your app store. Now search for the app Grok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these solution, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is close this, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in a device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, launch Grok from this list of apps. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. With this, your issue might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Grok from your device and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Grok app, select the option Remove app and select Delete app. Then launch your app store, search for the app Grok and then install it. So this is how you can easily fix an error occurred on Grok on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.